Hey friends, if you wish to fix the status access violation error on your browser in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, these solutions will be shown with Microsoft Edge, which is a Chromium based browser. It would be very similar for Google Chrome. So, let us say that you are facing it on Edge. Simply close it and reopen it. In most of the cases, this will fix the problem. If not, then try disabling the extensions should you have any of them. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. If you have any extensions, then disable them. The next solution is to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select help and feedback and click on about Microsoft Edge or about Chrome, and the browser will update itself. And lastly, reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings, and then go to the reset settings tab. Select restore settings to the default value and reset it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.